Hi guys, here is Ariana and I'm with Flooret. And today I'm going to show you how to minimize and avoid repeating patterns when installing your Flooret molding luxury vinyl plank floor. While most companies just use a single standard 48 inches long print films for their LVP, Flooret molding combines multiple extra-large print films to provide dramatically reduced pattern repetition. We do everything we can to make sure our LVP looks as organic and unique as possible from plank to plank, but it's technically still possible to spot repetition in the floor pattern. And here are the best techniques you can use to ensure that your floor will not have noticeably repeating patterns once it's installed. As you prepare for installation, make sure that you're pulling planks from multiple boxes at once. Our boxes are filled in randomly, so you're gonna get the best mix of wood grain patterns by opening several boxes at once. We recommend opening at least 2 to 3 boxes at once and separating the planks by color variation or tone and patterns. And once that's done, you're ready to install. As you install your flooring, you want to randomly select your planks from the piles that you have created, always looking for the neighboring planks to make sure you don't have any pattern repetition in that specific area. And that's everything you need to know to avoid pattern repetition in your LVP installation. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the alerts for more helpful videos like this. And of course, if you have any questions, our team is always here to help. Just go to www.flooret.com to chat with us. Thanks for watching.